Ever wondered how it feels to step into the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia? Welcome to Baku, the capital city of Azerbaijan, a place where the old-world charm seamlessly blends with modernism. Enveloped by the Caspian Sea on one side and the Caucasus Mountains on the other, Baku is a city of contrasts. It's a place where you can explore the mysteries of the past and marvel at the wonders of the present. As we delve into the enchanting city of Baku, one can't help but be entranced by the flame towers. Looming high above the cityscape, these three flame-shaped skyscrapers are an architectural marvel that light up the night sky. A symbol of the city's modernization, the flame towers are a sight to behold. Not far from the flame towers, one can find the Old City, or Shirvanshahs. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's a living testament to Baku's rich history. Stroll down its cobblestone streets, and you'll find the ancient Maiden Tower, a mysterious monument whose origins are shrouded in legend. It's a place that whispers tales of centuries past. Next, immerse yourself in the world of art at the Heydar Aliyev Center. With its flowing, wave-like design, this cultural hub is more than just a building. It's a symbol of Baku's innovative spirit and its commitment to promoting art and culture. For nature lovers, the Gabustan National Park is a must-visit. Home to ancient rock carvings that date back thousands of years, it's a place where you can feel the echoes of the past. It's also home to the Gabustan mud volcanoes, a surreal landscape that seems like it's from another planet. Baku is also a city that loves its sports. From the iconic Baku Olympic Stadium to the Baku Crystal Hall, these state-of-the-art facilities have hosted numerous international events. They are a testament to Baku's commitment to promoting sports and healthy living. And of course, one cannot talk about Baku without mentioning its food. From the mouth-watering dolma to the hearty plov, Baku's cuisine is a flavorful journey that's sure to delight your taste buds. To summarize, Baku is a city of contrasts. It's a place where ancient history and modern innovation coexist. From its towering skyscrapers to its historical landmarks, from its love for sports to its delicious cuisine, Baku is a city that has something for everyone. So if you're looking for a destination that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity, Baku is the place to be. It's a city that's waiting to be discovered, a city that's waiting to share its stories with you. And remember, the charm of Baku isn't just in its landmarks, but in its spirit, its people, and its irresistible allure. So why not take a journey into the heart of Azerbaijan and discover the magic of Baku for yourself?